Hey, we're here at, I'm going to call it Sasquatch Lake in the North Cascades. I'm up here with Andre and Thomas Seawood, and this is what we hiked up to. That was the road we drove up, but I'm up here now on the edge of the lake, and they didn't want to hike all the way over here, so this is where I got to. I just want to show you guys, give you some shots, but way over in that area, right over there, I'm going to zoom in, is a giant waterfall. I haven't made it over there yet, but I just wanted to show you where it is. It's in that area over there. But let me pull back or in, give you more. But we heard a weird noise on the way up here. It was amazing. I'm going to try and record it on the way back down. But I'm going to head out tonight. I think they're going to camp out somewhere out here. But I'm going to hike over here and do a little opening for Sasquatch. For the Monster X Town Hall meeting. Okay, so I'm going to set the camera up right here. And mount it right up here on this tree. And then you guys will be able to get a picture of me. Let's see if that'll work right there. That looks pretty good. And give you a little more down right there. Get some of this over here, in that area, like that. Hey, it's Craig with the Pacific Northwest Sasquatch Research Group. And it's in May 8th or 9th, 2019. And I'm up here in the North Cascades at Sasquatch Lake on Sasquatch Highway. We drove out. I'm up here with Thomas Seawood, who got a call from a guy in Minnesota who came out to do an expedition. So he called me up, and I got on the phone with Thomas and told him, come on up, I'll take you up to an area up here in the North Cascades on Sasquatch Highway. And this is Sasquatch Lake. As you can tell, it's absolutely stunning and beautiful, and we're pretty high. There's still a lot of snow up here. So let me grab the camera and show it to you. But as you can see, it's a really beautiful area. And I'm looking west over here this way right now, and the sun is going down in that direction over there. And right over here is the snow line. Here's my dog, you heard her, that's Ruby. Hey Ruby, did you go swimming? You're gonna go jump in the lake? And she went swimming earlier. So right over in here in this area, right down there, there's a giant waterfall coming off that ravine in that area. All the snow is melting down and coming into the lake, feeding the lake. And then it's going down out that way over there. So I just wanted to show you guys all these different areas over here. And down in that way, I've been out here before. It's really nice. I was gonna hike over there. I might do that and head over that way and check it out. But right over there, I keep seeing something moving right by the shoreline. Now I'm gonna zoom in, see if I can get anything. But over here in this area right there, I thought I saw movement. But on the way up here, we heard some really strange noises. It wasn't an owl, but it sounded really low, like like that, almost like maybe it was a moose. But I know the North Cascades doesn't have any mooses. That's in Alaska. But it was really low, and it could have been a deer maybe, but I don't know. Anyways, it's a pretty good camera. Let me go way up high and show you what type of zoom capability this camera has. Let's go to that field right there. So I'm going to zoom into this. This is how far away I am, but I'm just going to show you. And I'm going to go way up high. So I'm going to go way, actually that wasn't all the way back. So this is all the way back. I'm over here on this side of the lake, on this far shore. And I'm going to zoom in way up into this area. Show you and I don't have my 2X on yet, so I can put a 2X on this camera and get way in close. And, you know, get a lot of good detail. But if there was a Sasquatch over there in the snow, we'd see him. But it's going to be great camping here. This is one of the great spots to be. It's, you know, it's absolutely stunning here. There's fish in the lake. It's a nice red ochre type colored lake. Usually they don't have this type of color, but in the springtime it gets that color, you know, kind of a dirty orangish red. But it's due to all the trees, all these wonderful red cedar trees we have out here. And there's a tremendous amount of old growth forest here. And then you got these big giant rocks all forming on the lake, and it's all the way around, like over there on that side. What's that say? Oh, it looks like I was taking a picture, but I'm not. So let me zoom in over here on this side of the lake. Sorry about the shakies. I have my tripod on, but it's a small one. I should set it down and shoot. I will. I'm going to get to a little bit better spot here in just a second. So I'll set it right here. There you go. So I got this really cool little spider tripod I like. Let me see if I can tilt this straight here. I'll give you guys some better footage. It's got these adjustments for leveling it out, and you can just hold it. So now it's on a rock. Oops, I'm on a rock. So I'm on this rock and I can shoot, and I can adjust the angles as well. So, and then if I want, I can zoom in. Let me give you a zoom. Let's go over here. That's pretty nice. And I'll just tighten it up and let it sit there. There you go. Oh yeah, and it's today it's 80 degrees out. Absolutely beautiful weather. Oh, my phone died. Okay, let's head to a different spot.